Start with a pot and a soulful tune in the heart of a kitchen where flavors bloom. A half big cabbage, a quarter cup of gold, sunflower oil, let the story unfold. Garlic and onion, a fragrant embrace, dill so fresh it dances with grace. Potatoes diced, beets a ruby hue, a symphony of color all just for you. Their essence divine, carrots and celery rough chopped in line. Rosemary whispers a hint of the pine, salt, honey, and sugar for sweetness refined. Heat the tomatoes, let them stew, add water and love to the crimson brew. Salt, vinegar, spices take the stage, blend it all smooth, culinary sage. In a pan, oil sings a sizzling refrain. Onion and garlic join the beets' bright stain. Saute the melody, let it entwine. Deep earthy notes in perfect time. In a large pot, a new tale begins. Water embraces where the soul swims. Carrots and celery, a garlic bulb holds. Simmering gently, the broth finds its role. Pour the broth back, let the magic ignite. Add beets, dill, and cabbage in the light. Tomato sauce swirls, a zesty tease. Potatoes and rosemary dance with ease. Lemon's bright kiss, a tangy delight. 20 minutes simmer, a borscht done right. A vegan treasure, a Ukrainian dream. A bowl of borscht where flavors redeem. Let them stew, add water and love to the crimson brew. Salt, vinegar, spices take the stage, blend it all smooth, culinary sage. In a pan, oil sings a sizzling refrain. Onion and garlic join the greasing vein. Saute the melody, let it entwine. Earthy notes in perfect time. In a large pot, a new tale begins. Water embraces where the soul swims. Carrots and celery, a garlic bulb holds. Simmering gently, the broth finds its role.